Hey everybody, welcome back to Wealth Wednesdays. My name is Janine Rogan and I'm the CEO of the Wealth Building Academy, and today we're going to be talking about cultivating multiple streams of income. Now, this is something that I am very passionate about, and it's something that I think is so important, especially to continue to weather recession risk and fluctuations in the stock market. The average millionaire has 7 different streams of income, and while you probably don't need to have 7, it is good to have multiple streams of income. Multiple streams of income just means that you have money coming in from a variety of different places. So things like your full-time job, you might have some dividend income from your stock portfolio. Maybe if you do some online writing as a side hustle, that might be another opportunity to bring money in to your net worth. You can get as creative as possible with these multiple streams of income. I have a number of different streams coming in from my full-time job, my company that I run, obviously, as well as my investments and affiliate links from things that I share that people ultimately sign up for. And next year, I'll also have royalty income coming in from the sale of my book, which is super exciting. So really, when you're creating these multiple streams of income, it's really important to look across a way to diversify your income should there be ups and downs in the market or in your employment status. While I definitely don't think that everyone should have to have a side hustle to be able to afford rent or food, I do think having multiple streams of income is a smart financial move so that, again, you are weathering that recession risk or any fluctuations in your work, and that you have the ability to earn alternative sources of income should something happen to you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about multiple streams of income, you can leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you next week.